Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another cooking it up video for you today. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some nice Jamaican rice and peas. Now you can make it with pigeon peas, gunga peas, red peas, but today I'm going to make it with some black beans. I love the way it tastes with the black beans, okay? So I'm going to make it like that today. I'm going to make enough for my family. This is why I have 3 cans of my black beans, okay? So let me show you what you're going to need for this recipe. First of all, you're going to need a pot. And then you're also going to need 1 or 2 stalks of your green onion. Now today I'm going to use 2. I like it nice and tasty and flavorful. You're also going to need a couple of sprigs of your thyme. You're going to need at least 3 cloves of garlic. Okay. You're going to need a Scotch bonnet pepper, but that's optional for those of you who do not like your rice spicy. You're also going to need an onion, a small one preferably. This is kind of big, so I'll probably only use half. You're going to need some allspice seasoning. Okay, and like I said, today I'll be using my black beans, but normally you use red kidney beans. Okay, now you can use the dry beans, and you know there's another way of doing it that way, but this is the fast and easy way of making it because you don't need to soak your beans. To bypass that step, you get the canned beans. All right, you're also going to need some coconut milk. Today is my Jamaican choice coconut milk, and you're going to need some salt as well as your rice. Now I'm going to be using my brown rice today, so let's start up this video right now. So what I'm going to do now is start off seasoning my black beans. So I'm going to drain them and put them in my pot. So I'm going to take the can and I'm going to drain out the fluid because you don't need that. So you just pour that off. So next you're going to catch some water and you're going to put it in your pot because we're going to season our beans. So then you add your beans into your pot. I like a lot of beans. Okay, next you're going to add in some salt to flavor your beans. And next you're going to add in your can of coconut milk. Now you're gonna wash your thyme and put it in there as well. Okay, so we're gonna put our thyme in there. And we're gonna chop up our garlic cloves and toss that in there as well. If you have the minced garlic, you can use a teaspoon or tablespoon. It's to your taste. Okay. And add that to your pot. Next, I'm just going to wash my Scotch bonnet, take off the stem. And I'm gonna burst it because I like mine's hot. So I'm gonna pop that also into my pot. You don't have to burst the Scotch bonnet. You can just put the whole Scotch bonnet in there. Now next I'm gonna put in a few of my whole spice. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little. And pop that in there as well. Alright, now I'm going to chop up my green onions. Take off the root. Or you know what? You don't have to really chop it. You could just break it up and just toss it in there. Next, I'm going to just cut up maybe half of this big onion. And just dice that up. And then you're going to put that inside there as well. And that's how you flavor your beans. And I'm just going to taste it to see. Okay, it has enough salt in there. Alright, so just going to put our top on it, turn it down to a medium flame, and just let it simmer for maybe like 20 minutes, and then we'll check on there. In the meantime, we're going to prepare our rice. Alright, so after washing the rice, you're just going to leave it on the side until your beans are cooked down some more. Alright, so we're just going to leave this on for 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. Smelling good up in here. So now it's time to check the beans. Okay, it's ready. Now it's time to put the rice in. Okay, so now we're going to let this simmer down till it's cooked. So now we're going to bring our water to a boil before we cover it, because we want our rice to be nice and, you know, well cooked. In the meantime, as it starts to cook, you can start taking out your thyme sticks out of your water, because you don't really need that in there anymore. Alright. Okay, so now that the rice is starting to cook, you're going to turn your flame down a little. Any type of stems that you see in your pot, any type of stems from the thyme that you see in your pot, you can start to discard those. They serve no purpose anymore. And now we can cover our pot and let it steam down a little bit more. Oh yeah, delicious looking. Oh wow. Okay. Just two. Okay, and it is finished. And it looks good, it tastes good. And this is how you make fast and easy rice and peas. Alright? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more videos like this in the kitchen, just list it down below and I got that video out for you. And until the next time, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.